Laravel just dropped huge updates. From Laravel Cloud to a fresh VSCode extension, here's everything you need to know. Laravel 12 faster, more powerful, and zero breaking changes. New starter kits pre-built templates with React, Vue, or Livewire for rapid development. Fresh Laravel.com, a redesigned website for a smoother experience. Laravel Cloud is a fully managed platform as a service, PaaS, tailored for deploying and scaling Laravel applications with ease. It offers a seamless experience by eliminating the need for server management and complex configurations. Key features: one-click deployment. Connect your GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket repository and deploy your application effortlessly. Multiple environments. Create and manage various environments, e.g., production, staging, development, with independent configurations, allowing for flexible development and testing workflows. Queue workers. Easily set up background processes to handle tasks like sending emails or processing images, ensuring efficient task management. Team collaboration. Invite team members, assign roles, and manage permissions seamlessly, fostering effective collaboration. Integrated monitoring. Access application and access logs directly through the dashboard for efficient debugging and performance monitoring. During the early access period, Laravel Cloud is free to use. Billing will commence in early February 2025, with pricing primarily based on usage and volume discounts available. For more information and to get started, visit the Laravel Cloud website. The Laravel Cloud docs cover setup, deployment, scaling, queue workers, monitoring, and team management, helping you manage Laravel apps effortlessly. Explore full guides here. Laravel Cloud docs. Thank you for watching. Follow for more. Link is given below.